Balitang National. Good morning, Pilipinas, and welcome to another edition of Balitang National. For this video, allow me to use English and Tagalog as our medium of instruction. Isang bagong rational expression na naman ang nandito para ating i-simplify. We are going to look for a singular expression that stands for the equivalent of this. But when you are going to examine this, makikita po natin na yung denominator ng ating entire expression where the numerator is t, yung denominator niya ay isa ding set ng rational expression. So in this case, we are going to simplify first our denominator bago po natin i-implement kung ano man yung available na operation kasama yung numerator t. Dito po, let's try to simplify first our denominator. When you look at our denominator, we have here 1 plus the rational expression t minus 1 over t plus 1. Isang term ay just an integer at yung pangalawa ay rational expression. So yung gagawin natin, we are to combine the two of them. But when we are going to combine a rational expression and an integer, please take note of this. If we have, say, 1 plus 1/2, of course, we know that this to be 1 and 1/2. But basically, we have here an integer and a fraction. To combine them, we are going to look for LCD. But first, our integer 1 can be expressed as any number or the 1 itself over 1. 1 over 1 is just 1 itself. Gaya po ng 3. 3 is also 3 over 1. Pati na rin po yung negative 10. Pwede po siyang isulat na negative 10 over 1. Bakit po natin ginagawa ito? Kasi nga po, we can combine them into 1 by looking for LCD. The LCD for 1 and 2 is 2 itself. Okay? 2 times 1 is 2. This is our LCD here. So looking at our given expression, yung numerator po natin is still t. But yung denominator natin, ito po natin i-combine. Yung 1 po natin can be written as 1 over 1, right? Just like this one here. But our LCD is the product of 1 and 2 in this case. But in this case, t plus 1 po siya. So yung ating LCD is simply t plus 1 din po. Okay? Kasi nga po, yung 1 po natin, pwede po siyang isulat ng ganito. 1 over 1. And then 1 and 2 as the common denominators, it's actually 2. So, ano pong mangyayari sa susunod? So, we are going to divide it like this. 2 divided by 1 is 2. We are going to multiply it to our original numerator to return to an equivalent fraction to 1. Kasi nga po, 2 times 1 is 2, over 2 is just 1 itself. So, di po tayo nag-change ng value. We are just changing the fraction into an equivalent fraction where we could combine them. So, when we continue this po, 2 divided by 2 is 1. That's the multiplier of our original 1 there. And we simply place plus because that's the operation here. So, similar thing, kasi nga po, yung 1 natin can be written as 1 over 1. This is its LCD. So, t plus 1 divided by 1, which is its denominator. This would be the multiplier, t plus 1, of our original numerator of 1. Alright. Next, when we divide t plus 1 to this t plus 1 is just 1. So 1 times our original numerator of t minus 1 here. And then we use the operation plus. Now, pag nahihirapan po kayo sa ganitong given, you just need to study first or review kahit itong part lang po. You will also have many videos supporting that. Para po, when we are going to combine it in this operation, at least master na po ninyo ang ganitong process. Now, let's continue. Our numerator again is still t. Our denominator now will become a rational expression t plus 1 plus, when you multiply this, t minus 1 all over t plus 1, which will give us a result, okay, which will give us a result here of the same numerator t over t plus t, you have 2t, 1 minus 1 is 0 over t plus 1. Hopefully, you're following pa. Next step. Since we have here the original t, it's our numerator, over a rational expression, we are dividing them. So therefore, we are going to look at the division of rational expressions. Kagaya po ng when we are going to divide a certain number, let's say 2 divided by 1/2, yung gagawin pa rin dito is we will be applying the keep, change, flip method, where we keep the numerator or the dividend. Instead of division, we're going to change the operation to multiplication, and we are going to flip or reciprocate our divisor, 2 over 1. That's why it's called keep, change, flip method. Same here, we're going to keep t, okay, and instead of division, multiplication po tayo, and we're going to reciprocate this, okay. When we reciprocate, we flip it, the numerator becomes t plus 1, and yung 2t natin na original numerator dito, magiging denominator po. Okay, so from here, we have this one using the keep, change, flip method. Pagkatapos nito, don't forget again, just like earlier, that 1 is 1 over 1. This t here can be written as t over 1. And with that, we can see there is t here, meron ding t tayo dito. So when we cancel them, the final result of this rational expression in its simplified form is only t plus 1 over 1 times 2, 2. This is now the simplified form of the given. Ito po yung nangyari pagkatapos ng in-apply natin yung LCD, yung equivalent fractions, keep, change, flip method to combine the given rational expressions into just one, just like this. So the result is t plus 1 over 2. Lester Lucy Gumpan, nagbabalita for Balitang Rational. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like at i-share ang video ito. Maraming salamat!